420. What are you doing for 420? What are your plans?
I get high every day though, so it's really like.
So is this going to be
get higher, I guess?
Are you for 420? Are you going to be in Atlanta? Or are you going to visit like Cali or Denver?
I plan on being in DC.
I
plan on being in DC. I hope I'm in DC. But if not, still be here, still be getting high, regardless. Don't matter where I'm at.
Do you remember the first time you smoked?
No.
Don't remember the first time you smoked? No. Now 420, that's obviously a special day for marijuana smokers and marijuana users. Anything crazy ever happened to you on a 420 before?
Let me think. I know something wild that happened to me in 420. Oh my God, yes. Like, okay, I think 2 420s ago. That's when that shroom incident happened. Remember last time I was with you? And I was telling you, yes.
We talked about it.
Yes, that bad incident. I remember that. And I remember, I thought the fridge was talking to me like, bruh.
And that was on a 420?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
It was a different high. Like, that was a whole different high. Niggas was having whole conversations with the fridge.
Now, have you visited, like, you know, Cali or Denver, like, specifically just for 420?
Mm-mm.
Because I know some people do that.
No.
They visit some of the marijuana capitals where recreational marijuana
That'd probably be fun.
is legal and that sort of thing. Or medical marijuana for them is legal. But you haven't done that yet?
No.
Okay.
420.